Hi, this is Vivek Pandey, Eastern ID 200316. As a part of assessment 3 video presentation, I'm going to give a short video presentation where we did some group report. After that, we have analyzed the case study of XYZ company. After the case study, we are providing some recommendations for XYZ company so that it can do or improve its performance and features. Since XYZ company is having issues with the inventory management and financial challenges in the company, so let's begin with the background of the company. XYZ company is a medium-sized business organization which is having multiple challenges in its growth. The company is based on a traditional and manual-based operations where data and informations of inventory sales are recorded through the spreadsheets, and all the records are maintained by a manual basis with a double entry bookkeeping system. In this era of a new business environment, company relying on traditional and manual based system a is very not good for the growth of the company. So even though it's struggling with managing inventory and financial data, but now this company needs some changes in its system. It needs a new enterprise resource planning system that we call ERP, which helps to identify the needs of the company and provide some best features that they have available so that a company can make growth in the company. Moving to the next slides, some of the possible or suitable enterprise resource planning softwares that's suitable for XYZ company are SAP Enterprise Resource Planning, Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Intuit Enterprise Resource Planning. So there are multiple software available in the market, but from the case study, we have sorted these four different softwares which is suitable for addressing the challenges that XYZ company is facing these days. Moving to next part, uh, among those listed ERP softwares, the best software for addressing the challenges of XYZ company is, from my basis, it's SAP Enterprises, since it has the wide range of features and functionalities of recording data for inventory, sales, and financial data. It also provides a complete and reliable solutions with the scalability for the growth. Since this system records all the information related with the finance, which includes inventory, sales, and other forecasting data and properly, so that when required, it provides the forecast and the easy analysis of those data. Since it provides the single pictures of corporate operations and data, it supports in decision making and enhanced performance as well. Since if the all the requirements are maintained in a simple and understanding way, then it will be helpful for stakeholders to make a quick decisions, because the market is very competitive, and data analysis with the clearer pictures is very important, because the data are the best on a numerical path. So if they are complex and not in a clear or understandable way, then it will be very hard for the management to make decisions. So SAP Enterprises will provide the best ways or modules to records the data so that it helps in decision making procedures. Similarly, it will eliminate the human entry data and optimize processing. It means, like, since all the systems will be based on software basis, then all whatever the system or the input is mentioned by the operator, then it will record all the data and eliminate the manual entry of data from the human beings. So let's move to next part. Among those, the vendors available for SAP Enterprises, Delty is one of the best suitable for SAP Enterprises at XYZ company. Um, it is a global consulting company which has expertise in deploying the ERP system. it is also proven with success in the mid-sized business company, since it's operating since a long time and it has tested in different middle-sized business organization. So to overcome, to cope up with these existing challenges in the XYZ company, Delty will be one of the best one I could recommend, since it offers the end-to-end services including the business process reengineering, system deployment, and post implementation support. Some of the companies offer the facilities, they just quickly implement it and leave the users to use it, but they don't provide the post service. So the best aspects of the Delty company is like they provide, they do the re-engineering of the system and deploy the system as well, but even after deploying the system they will also provide the post implementation support. That's very and rarely very important for the company, since during the operation or the using or implementation of the system there will be various complex and difficulties that may arise in front of the users. So in that case the post implementation support is very important for all those users. The team of, it has the team of knowledgeable ERP consultants that are specialized in SAP ERP. The terms SAP will reflect like specialized application product. It can configure and customize the system to suit the XYZ in comparison specific needs. It means like according to the needs of the requirement of the users, it will provide and customize the units as per the needs. For example, XYZ company accepts the whatever the system provided by the Delty company, but in middle of or by after implementing for a few months they get used to using that one. But if they things like they need some special requirements or they need to change or make update in the system, then Delty definitely provides such options for the changes or bring new changes of the system. So that's really a good positive part of this one. Let's move to the next part. So why Delty? So we can say like its expertise and experience in deployment, it has a improved data accuracy in compared to the other one, better customer service, improved inventory management system, increased efficiency, and proven decision making. So all of these features are uh, collected from the uh, responses provided by the previous users of this Delty company. So we have taken this as a positive aspect so that we can for using this vendor company. So challenges with the current challenges that are in the XYZ company is like it's a manual based and traditional based, which is not suitable for changing inventory costs. The accounting software lacks the workflows for the recording cost of goods sold, since it's using spreadsheets to track and record all the system, but the workflow of recording cost of goods sold is very hard, and the competitive market we need to be very careful, and I need to address this problem, since it also has the inadequate data analysis and forecasting capabilities, which is not very good. So let's move to the next part as a recommendation for XYZ company. So as a overall recommendation, we can say like the company need to adapt a new technology with the changing time, since with the change of time it is very important to adapt the new technologies that comes in the market. Choosing best enterprise resource planning systems such as SAP ERP. Choosing the enterprise system is not only important, we need to choose the best which suits the nature of our company. Similarly, training and updating employees to use the new system is very important. Choosing appropriate vendors such as Delty, I have already explained in my previous slide, simply simplifying and complex technical aspects of the implementations. So the use of a best vendor or a best enterprise system will simplify the complex and technical aspects of the which comes in implementation time. So it is recommended to use like SAP and enterprise resource planning with the vendors such as Delty. So implementation time frame, during the implementation time, it will takes like for the first month the business process and analysis re-engineering will take the first month. In the second month, SAP Enterprises customization and configuration. The 3rd to 4th month will take like system deployment and personal training, so that we need to train all those employees of the company. And the post implementation support and fine tuning will be in 5th to 6th month. So the benefits overall, the benefits of using SAP Enterprises and Delty for XYZ company will be like it will improve the inventory management and accuracy, increase our efficiency, and save the cost of extra cost that arise in the company, enhance data analysis and forecasting capabilities, better decision making, improved customer service, scalability, and flexibility for further growth. So all of those are the benefits after we implement all those recommendations provided in earlier slides. So those all those recommendations address to use the SAP Enterprises and Delty for a XYZ company, so that we can have these features or benefits in XYZ company, and company can achieve its goal and maintain the proper market flow in the market. So all of these references address those information extracted from this one. Thank you so much.